Hi everyone, welcome back to ESL 45. I'm really excited to start teaching you again and helping you improve your English. So in this video, I'm going to explain a little bit about how our online course will work, and I'll also show you how to use Canvas. So the first thing you want to do every week is go to your modules. So right now we are in week 9. We're in week 9. So the first thing you want to do every week is click on the overview. Here I'll explain everything you need to do for the week. Okay? Just as a reminder, I know that online learning can be difficult, but we can work together. And so please communicate with me. You can email me, text me, call me. I want to make this work for you, so please let me know how I can help you out. Okay, and as I mentioned, every week you want to watch this video so you know what all your assignments are for the week. Okay, you're going to watch the video and then type a question. Okay, so after watching this video, you're going to ask me a question. Okay, you're going to type it down in the text. There's going to be a text box below. So this way I know if you don't understand anything. If you don't have any questions, you can just write, I don't have a question. Okay. So that you need to watch the video Monday. Okay. So you're going to watch this video and then ask me a question. So this is also listening practice. Okay. Watch the video and then ask me a question, or you're going to type it below. On Wednesday, by midnight, you need to read one of the articles in Beyond True Stories. So you're going to read this article, The Greatest Job in the World, on pages 21 and 22. This story is about how a group of firefighters helped save a woman, and they survived the attack of the World Trade Center on September 11th. Before you read the story, you can review new vocabulary, and this will help you understand the story. You can review it on Quizlet, and I also have a printout. Then read the story on those pages. You may want to read it 2 to 3 times. Highlight the new vocabulary words. So these are some of the new vocabulary words, like urge. Urge means to encourage strongly. For example, my parents urged me to go to college. They encouraged me strongly. They urged me. So here you can find the words. You can find the word and the definition and an example sentence. So these are the new words. So you're going to read the story, then do the exercise in the book. On page 23, you're going to do Getting the Big Picture to find the main idea, do the vocabulary exercise, and then developing reading skills. Okay, understanding chronological order and understanding cause and effect. If you want, you can also write a short summary of the story. The directions are on page 25. After you do the exercises in the book, you can take a picture and text it to me, or you can email it to me. And then you can check your answers. So this is due by Wednesday. If you need help with the homework, come to Zoom on Monday. Come to Zoom on Wednesday morning, and we can do it together, and we can go over it together. Okay, so that's the reading homework. Okay. In addition, you have a short listening activity. So these are some discussion questions we can do in Zoom during class time to talk about it before. And then these are some words you're going to see in the video. So this video is about the Ground Zero Super Tower. So after 9/11, they built a new skyscraper, a new building. So this video talks about the building of the new building, and you can put the closed captioning, the subtitles if you want. And then you have a quiz. So you're going to watch the video. You're going to watch the video and then answer the questions. Okay. Also for Wednesday, you have a grammar activity. So we studied simple sentences and compound sentences, and now I want to teach you about complex sentences. So I made this little video here. I know it's not perfect, but I will try to get better at making videos. But you're going to watch this video to learn about the grammar, and here's the PowerPoint. After, for homework, practice writing complex sentences by completing these sentences. You can type your sentences here on Canvas, or if it's easier, write it on a piece of paper and then text it or email it to me. So there'll be, I have the teacher's version, but in your student version, you'll have a text box here if you want to write your sentences there. But you're going to practice complex sentences. When I am at home, comma, so you're going to finish the sentence. When I am at home, I like to spend time with my family. I like to spend time with my family when I am at home. So you're going to write it both ways. So you're going to write 10 sentences. So each one has 2, practicing using complex sentences. So that's the homework you have for Wednesday. Every Wednesday we're going to do Beyond True Stories, a little short listening activity, and then a little grammar. And then on Sundays, you're going to have homework from the novel, from the Seed Folks. Okay, so we're going to start off with chapters 1 and 2. So you're going to read the first 2 chapters. As you read, if you want, these are some YouTube videos that another teacher made. If you want to listen while you read, you can use these YouTube videos. Either before or after you read, you can use these vocabulary lists to help you understand and learn some of the words. So in the chapter, the first chapter, Kim, some of the words were family altar, dawn, stare, and these are the meanings. So family altar is a place of family devotions, a place in your home where you pray for your religion or for the people who died in your life. Dawn means sunrise, when the sun comes up. So these are the words. You can go through them. And if you want to practice using these words, I encourage you to come to Zoom during our class sessions. Okay? Okay. You can also write down the new words in your notebook and practice making example sentences. That may help you learn the new words. After you read chapters 1 and 2, you're going to take the quiz. Okay, there's a little quiz. You're going to take the quiz for Seed Folks, so you click here. Some of the questions are multiple choice. Okay, and sometimes there's maybe 2 answers that are correct. So you read the story and answer the questions. At the bottom, there's a vocabulary activity. You write down 4 new words you learn, like stare, the definition, what the word means, and then practice writing sentences. Make your own sentence with the new word. Okay, so you can type those 4 vocabulary entries here. And then this question, you can write 1 to 2 sentences. Do you like the story so far after reading the first 2 chapters? Why or why not? And then you click Submit Quiz. Okay. You also have a short grammar lesson on adjectives ending in ing and ed. And then after you watch the video, you're going to take the quiz. And then finally, every Sunday you'll have a writing assignment. So this week it's a discussion post. Next week you'll have a paragraph, but this week is a discussion post. So you're going to write a discussion post sharing your favorite activity. What's your favorite thing to do? What is an activity or hobby that you enjoy very much? In your discussion post, practice using the grammar you learned this week. Use when, as soon as, because, or since in a complex sentence at least one time in your post. Also, this week you're studying adjectives that end in ed or ing, and you need to use this at least one time in your post. So here's an example. I feel relaxed when I breathe and do yoga poses. So this was the grammar that was taught this week. Your discussion post should be at least 150 words, and it's due Sunday. And then you're going to write at least 2 comments, and each one should be at least 20 words. That's going to be due next week. For extra credit, you can do some of the assignments we didn't finish in the previous unit on longevity. You can watch the video on how to live to be 100 and answer the questions. You can text it or email it to me when you finish. You could fix the highlighted sentences in your admirable person paragraph. So you could do the grammar log. You can do it here on Canvas or write it on a piece of paper and email it to me. You can type your paragraph about longevity and upload it on Canvas. And then there was a vocabulary and grammar quiz from the last unit. If you didn't have time to do that, you can do that. The last day to do the extra credit will also be Sunday. Now for the Zoom sessions. On Mondays and Wednesdays from 7 to 7:40, we will have practice sessions on Zoom. This is similar to Skype, so we can see and hear each other. During this time, you can ask me questions and you can practice what we are learning. It is not required that you attend, but I encourage you to do it. If everyone comes, it'll make it more fun, and actually, I think it will help you improve your English. So how do you use Zoom? You can just copy and paste this link or click on this link, or you can go to the Zoom website or download the app on your phone, and then you click on join a meeting or join, and this will always be the room number for my class. So you just click join, and then you join with audio and video. Okay. I look forward to seeing you on Zoom, and please email me or call me if you have any questions. Okay, thanks. See you soon.